They gather shortly after sunrise on the riverbank of Nanchuang River in Xining City, in China's Qinghai province. Most of them are older women. This is the Chinese version of square dancing. Among them is 53-year-old Zheng Aili, the lead dancer.
我是这附近的居民，退休以后呢，没有什么事情做，就每天早上呢就跟着大伙出来跳跳广场舞。这个河套自打修好以后呢，我们就到这边来。原先呢是在小区里啊，什么楼前呢，现在呢就是有了这个河套以后呢，就要方便了许多。
As Zhang and other dancers swing their arms and twirl to the beat of Chinese pop songs, the river flows and splashes over rocks, adding a bit of background music. Frequent visitors to the riverbank are not just square dancers. People enjoy the recreational spaces in just about every possible way. It is now hard to imagine the condition of this river and other rivers in the city of Xining just a few years ago.
这个河道这里边是原先这个地方是还是乱七八糟的，这个环境也不太好。
Cleaning up the rivers and rehabilitating the riverbank are part of a flood risk management project supported by the World Bank. In the past 6 years, the project has built flood protection infrastructure, upgraded wastewater collection, and improved the environment. Thanks to the project, the city became more resilient to flooding. The beautiful landscape has made the riverbank a popular spot for recreation for residents near and far.
现在这个水也挺清的了，之前以后这个青草都是流入水了，水呀现在也发芽了，这个在空气也很好，我们在这个地方以后应该是锻炼身体，欣赏这个风景去。